Uh, what's the secret to Toonami's enduring success? Is it their bold schedule changes or their knack for introducing new and exciting anime titles? Whatever the reason, fans are in for a treat as Toonami announces the return of Blue Exorcist and the premiere of Mashle Magic and Muscles. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay up to date on all the latest anime news. Uh, Toonami's latest schedule modification is set to shake things up, with Blue Exorcist making a comeback and Mashley Magic and Muscles joining the lineup in November 2024. Despite the rise of streaming platforms, Toonami remains a significant player in Western anime culture, often premiering new titles and introducing fans to fresh and exciting series. At the Adult Swim panel during New York Comic Con 2024, it was revealed that Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Season 4 and Rick and Morty, the anime, were concluded, making way for the new additions. Blue Exorcist and Mashley Magic and Muscles are both highly acclaimed titles that are sure to bring a boost to the Toonami lineup. And with their unique blend of action, drama, and humor, they're set to captivate audiences and leave them wanting more. On a lighter note, it seems Toonami is following the ancient ninja proverb, when in doubt, add more anime. And we couldn't be happier about it. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.